Today I'm reviewing the ULTIMEA Skywave X70 7.1.4 wireless surround sound system. If you want to check current pricing or availability, it's linked below. I've been using this system in a typical living room setup with a 4K TV for movies, streaming shows, console gaming, and music playback. These impressions are based on real listening time in everyday scenarios rather than quick demo clips. Let's set expectations clearly. This is not a discrete in-wall custom theater installation with separate AV receiver tuning and individually calibrated high-end speakers. It's designed as a relatively simple, wireless-friendly home theater system that delivers immersive sound without requiring complex wiring or rack-mounted components. Real-world listening performance. The 7.1.4 channel configuration with Dolby Atmos creates a noticeable sense of hide and surround placement when the source material supports it. In Atmos-enabled films and shows, overhead effects like rain, aircraft, and environmental ambience feel more layered than with a basic soundbar. The front soundstage is wide enough to separate dialogue from background effects. Voices remain clear even during action-heavy scenes, which is important for everyday viewing rather than short demo sequences. The 10-inch wireless subwoofer adds meaningful low-end presence. In practical use, it provides way to explosions, bass drops, and cinematic soundtracks without sounding loose or overly boomy. At moderate volumes, bass feels controlled. At higher volumes, it remains impactful but can dominate smaller rooms if not positioned carefully. The claimed 20 Hz extension is ambitious in real-world rooms. You'll feel strong bass output, but room acoustics and placement will influence how deep and tight it actually sounds. Power and amplification behavior. The GAN amplification contributes to clean output at higher listening levels. When pushing the system louder for movie nights, distortion stays controlled rather than becoming harsh. It maintains composure without sounding strained during dynamic scenes. Wireless setup and usability. Wireless surround channels simplify placement compared to traditional wired systems. Setup is straightforward. HDMI connection to the TV with 4K HDR pass-through works as expected for modern consoles and streaming devices. I did not experience signal drops or major sync issues during use. The system integrates well with everyday TV usage. Switching inputs and adjusting volume feels intuitive once configured. Thermals and everyday behavior. During extended movie sessions, the components remain warm but not concerningly hot. There were no noticeable shutdowns or instability during prolonged playback. Fan noise or mechanical noise isn't intrusive, and in typical listening conditions the system's own output masks any minor background sound. Balanced comparison. If your goal is absolute audiophile level precision with individual speaker tuning and room correction via a separate receiver, a traditional component-based system still offers more granular control. Compared to entry-level soundbars, the Skywave X70 offers a more immersive experience with dedicated surround elements and a larger subwoofer presence. Who this makes sense for? It's practical for people who want Dolby Atmos immersion without complex wiring, prefer a strong, cinematic bass presence, use a modern 4K TV and gaming console, want surround sound without building a full receiver-based system. The main limitations are tied to format and room acoustics. Very large rooms may benefit from larger component systems, and placement still affects bass response and surround balance. In everyday use, the Skywave X70 feels like a focused, immersive home theater solution that balances power and convenience rather than chasing high-end audiophile territory. Check current pricing below and evaluate it against your needs.